About this item: video game works with iOS 13.4 plus system. arVin wireless game controller for iPhone 14, 14s Plus/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/13/13 Mini/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/12/12 Mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/X/XR/XS/XS Max/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6S/6S Plus, for iPad/iPad Mini/iPad Pro/iPad Air. Press B and Home to connect your iPhone/iPad Bluetooth DualShock 4 wireless controller, no emulator required. Play directly. Video game works with Android 6.0 plus system. arVin Android phone controller for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra/S22 Plus/S22/S21 Ultra/S21 Plus/S21/S20 Ultra/S20 Plus/S20/S10e/S10 Plus/S10/S9 Plus/S9/S8 Plus/S8/Galaxy Note/1 Plus/TCL/Huawei/Oppo/Motorola and more. Android phone, tablet. Android has two boot modes, X and Home or RB and Home, for different games. If you find supported games can't work on this controller, please switch the boot mode. Video game compatible with wireless PC connection. The PC game controller supports Win 7 Win 11 version.